Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
And while the widespread rain and severe thunder has moved out, we're still tracking at least small elements of showers, sometimes thunderstorms. They're scattered, but radar is picking up on it right now. We take a look, and you can see these little tiny blips of green on the Connecticut, Rhode Island border, northwest corner of the state, out towards coastal Connecticut and Long Island, New York. And these are tracking off to the east and northeast. So it's the kind of situation where you get a little quick downpour on the roof of your house, 10 minutes and it's gone. Maybe another one comes by an hour later. And still the potential for some thunderstorms, even though we don't see much lightning activity out there right now. Humidity is so high that it acts like fuel, and why some of these showers will be heavy. Now, as far as the severe thunder that came through late this afternoon, these blue dots represent wind damage. We had numerous reports of flash flooding as well. Now, there's two kinds of wind damage from severe thunderstorms, one being tornadoes, because we all know what they look like, and the other being the more common one, which is a straight line wind, or what we call a microburst. And here's an animated version of what a microburst looks like. Quite simply, a thunderstorm is a very tall cloud, 30, 35, 40,000 feet. So the air from the very top of that cloud will rush all the way to the bottom and slam into the ground and spread out in straight lines in all directions. We call that a microburst. It can sometimes mimic tornado damage. It can even look like a tornado sometimes. Of course, the other one, the more obvious one, is the spinning funnel, the tornado. We didn't see any of this today, though the atmosphere was conducive to tornado development because we had some rotation in the upper parts of the clouds in some of these thunderstorms, but that rotating air stayed up there, did not come down to the ground, so no tornadoes. And some of the wind damage that we had today at places like North Kingstown more than likely was microburst, straight line wind damage. Downtown Providence, warm, very sultry and humid. Relative humidity now at 90%. You can see mainly cloudy skies. Temperatures in the 70s, and it will stay in the 70s all night long. Futurecast shows that the real heavy rain and thunder from today lifting out. Behind that, it's more scattered. It's kind of hit and miss, and that'll be the trend for tomorrow. But when they come through, they will hit hard with downpours or perhaps some gusty wind. It'll quit. Maybe another one comes by an hour later. So that's the kind of situation coming up for Saturday. And the reason why, see the little spin in the atmosphere in the satellite photo right back here across the Great Lakes? We call this an upper level low. And what it's doing, well, for one, it's circulating very tropical and humid air up the East Coast, a lot of moisture, and helping to fuel some of these showers and thunderstorms. So that'll continue off and on tonight. Areas of fog, warm, humid, temps in the 70s. And both tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon, almost like a broken record, kind of the same situation, unfortunately. Warm, humid, 11 a.m., 82. Every now and then, showers and thunderstorms. Some with very heavy downpours, so we'll have to watch for the potential for some, brief isolated street flooding. Temperatures in the afternoon topping out between 80 and 85 degrees. Any sunshine would be hazy and partial. Clouds should win out for a better part of the day. But, some of these thunderstorms could be on the strong side, so we'll watch the situation closely. Obviously not a great day on the bay. Reduced visibility in the morning and fog, and obviously it gets reduced in any passing showers or thunderstorms. Waves of 1 to 3 feet, but at the mouth of the bay, 2 to 4 feet with 6-foot waves offshore. High tide Newport Harbor about 3:30. Beaches, we've seen better days. Fog in the morning, and really a shower or a thunderstorm at just about any time. Air temperature 78, water temp 75. Safe sun time, even with the cloud cover, you can still get a burn, is about 25 minutes. 7-day outlook, very humid for tomorrow. Scattered showers and thunder likely, 85. Now, may have a leftover shower early Sunday morning. The trend will be for skies to become partly sunny during the afternoon, 85. Mid and upper 80s, dry on both Monday and Tuesday day. Next chance of any potential showers would come around Tuesday night and Wednesday of next week. Temperatures next week, with the exception of Monday, which will be a very warm day, will average in the lower 80s, and nighttime temperatures in the 60s and 70s. So you can download the Channel 12 app through iTunes on your iPhone or on your Android smartphone as well. What's neat about that app in a situation like today is that when you get a severe warning or even a tornado watch, if you wear the phone in your hip, it'll vibrate or an alarm will go off to let you know that there's severe weather coming through.
Text message.
Yeah. So the apps are pretty cool.
And then we'd look at you and listen to you.
There you go. There's the plan.
You can't see Tony at home. That's second best.
Coming up next on Eyewitness News at 11.